everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Kinsey. I am a first year teacher without a job yet. I just graduated, and as a graduation gift, I received my first Cricut Explore. I'm so excited. I have been wanting this forever, and I am so excited to share with you guys what comes in the box and what I got. This is what I purchased, or this is what my grandma purchased for me. It was the kind of starter pack because I didn't have anything. So I will eventually be going and kind of getting the other little things here and there as I need them. But for right now, I am going to unbox with you all. And then I am also going to share with you my very first project that I do. I will be labeling my dog food bin because I've been waiting to do that for a long time. So if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing. There will be a lot more Cricut content now that I have that. I also have been documenting my whole student teaching journey. I'll be documenting my teaching journey in the future. And I also do fun videos here and there with cooking and read alouds and things like that. So definitely consider subscribing for more. I also have an Instagram where I will share my Cricut designs, and I also share just everyday life on there. So I would love to have you on there. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. All right, so it looks like it comes with another mat. Oh, with a light grip mat. Didn't realize that. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look at this. It's like wrapped up, so cute. Comes with all the little stuff. Oh my gosh. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open it. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so I think that this is gonna work the best because the printer can still be used just like this when this is closed, but then this way, when it opens, oh my God, you guys, wow. Okay, let's explore. All right. I'm sure you all can tell, but I have never had a Cricut before, so I have zero clue how to work this or how to set this up. It says, let's get started. Sounds like a good place to start. Oh, it's like little cards. It's like numbered cards. Okay, 1, unleash this beauty. Done. Get connected. Go to Cricut.com/setup. We'll walk you through every step. Thanks. I turned it on. That's a scary sound. Oh, connect. Oh, I missed a step. All right, so this is the project we are attempting. I want to put dog food right there, and then eventually I'll put the dog's names at the top, I think, but for right now I just want to do the dog food. So I need to measure that because so far, like, look how cute. Okay, that's what we're going for, but I need to measure it. for this, I don't know what I'm doing. I have my design. I have some removable matte vinyl. Harder than it looks. Okay, so I have it loaded. Oh my God. You guys saw the struggle. That was hard to get on there. That is gonna take some getting used to. So now it says everything is loaded. So now I just press go. Here goes nothing. Let me just say that that took maybe 2 minutes, barely 2 minutes for this whole thing. I'm so excited. Okay, so like now what? I need transfer paper and these. So let's open some of these. Okay, so if I want it to stay just like this, oops, I shouldn't have done that. I guess it's like cover up the whole thing, huh? Okay, so now I think I take this. Yeah. Look at how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, like obviously, like when you really look at it, there are definitely I have some learning to do, but I kind of went big for my first. I should have started much smaller, but look how cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks, I'm gonna label these as well, but like, oh my gosh, it looks so cute, don't you think? Okay, overall, I would say my first project went pretty well. It was hard, I will say, harder than I had anticipated, I guess, but like that turned out so good. I'll put in like a real picture with like good lighting and everything, but I'm so excited, you guys. So I figured I would bring it out into the light for you. This was my first project, my dog food bin. I've been wanting to label this dang bin for so long, so it looks amazing. I'm so excited about it. Obviously, like I said, this was my first project, so it is not perfect. And there are definitely things that I will do differently next time. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. And for my first project, I would say I spaced it out really good. Like my measuring and kind of transferring to the computer was really good. So I'm very happy, I'm very excited. And I hope that it lasts a long time and that this looks cute forever. So anyway, that is my Cricut unboxing. So I got the Cricut Explore Air 2, and it also came with a pen and stuff like that. So definitely consider subscribing to my channel because I am sure I'm going to be sharing a whole bunch of new projects with you. And also go follow my Instagram because I'm sure I will share them on there as well. This is definitely going on there, so I'm so excited. And I will see you in my next one. Just keep teaching.